Child care facilities in Idaho are held to several state standards with laws regulating things like teacher-to-student ratios in the name of child safety. I'm your downtown Boise neighborhood reporter Riley Shoemaker outlining proposed legislation that looks to change that.
Friends, we have a daycare crisis.
Supporters of House Bill 243 say it's a necessary step to help solve the short supply of childcare options. But opponents argue it strips away key protections for children in daycare. The bill would eliminate specific child-to-staff ratios, allowing providers to set their own guidelines, something Republican Senator Barbara Ehart says will make childcare more accessible.
Let me ask you this. When it comes to overregulation, who benefits? Well, certainly not parents and working parents and the kids.
But critics like Robert Sanchez, executive director of the Idaho Association for the Education of Young Children, warn loosening regulations could put children in danger.
The fact is that Idaho is already one of the states across our nation that have the least amount of regulations already in place for childcare.
The bill also stops cities from setting additional licensing requirements, keeping oversight at the state level.
The legislation, House Bill 243, also limits local municipalities in their ability to add to the licensing requirements at the local level.
Sanchez says removing child-to-provider ratios could lead to overcrowding and safety risks.
Those ratios are in place for a reason, and they're to ensure the safety, the health, and care of children.
Representative Ehart, who oversees childcare centers in eastern Idaho, says the bill will help small daycare providers stay open and reduce unnecessary red tape.
Sometimes when you've got those home daycares, one child can make a significant difference. One child.
Opponents say deregulating an already struggling industry could make things worse. The bill is scheduled for a third reading in the House on Thursday. I'm your downtown Boise neighborhood reporter Riley Shoemaker for Idaho News 6.